Hello viewers, I am Noel from CircuitDigest. Today I am demonstrating the SD card interfacing with a PIC microcontroller, that is PIC 18F46K22. We already see that the circuitry is done on a breadboard, and the circuitry is powering up by the breadboard power supply and the 12-volt adapter, and also connected with the serial port. Now let's start up the board, powering up the board. When we powering up the board, the LEDs start blinking. I attach the LED to ensure that the board is working fine. Then we can go through the log. Now we can see that the comment is printed, that is SD card interfacing the PIC18, the system setup. Then another comment, that is start interfacing with the SD card, start SD card module successful and create a file. The system is already mount the SD card and create a new file into it. So if I press a reset button, then the same thing is happen again, and instead of creating a new file, the same message will be written into that file because the file is created already. So I am pressing the reset button, the same message will be printed again. Now you can see the same message is printed again. Okay, let's go to the SD card interface. Now you can see the SD card is already open in my computer laptop. There's a file is there, that is test.txt. That is the file name we already provided in the code. Let's see, open the text file. Now you can see the two line is written, because at the first when you start power up the board, this line is written, that is, hello guys, this is a text message written in the SD card. For more information, please visit the CircuitDigest. And the second line is also written after we press the reset button. So here it is. We already show the interfacing of the SD card module. Thank you guys. Bye bye.